The monthly menstrual cycle is often accompanied by a lot of symptoms like fatigue, bloating, mood swings, and cramps. The symptoms are even worse for some, making the entire period a big struggle. In between the unbearable cramping and mood swings, all you do is reach out for some comfort food. But unfortunately, there are some foods that can make your period symptoms even worse, and you surely do not want that to happen. We tell you about 7 foods that you should avoid a week before or during your period for some relief. 1. Coffee. If you do not want to make your period worse, cut back on your caffeine intake. Try to just stick to 1 cup of coffee per day. Having excessive coffee can cause vasoconstriction, the narrowing of blood vessels, which can worsen your cramps during period. It can also increase discomfort and bloating. 2. Refined carbs and sugar. Your blood sugar fluctuates a lot when you are menstruating. If you consume more sweetener during this phase, it adds fuel to fire. Your blood sugar level will rise and drop drastically. Additionally, sugar is inflammatory and can increase cramping, and you surely do not want this to happen. Refined sugar also causes your body to retain sodium and water, which leads to bloating and mood swings. 3. Dairy. Having a lot of dairy products is not the best idea, as it can cause cramping. Dairy products like milk, cheese, and ice cream contain arachidonic acid, an omega-6 fatty acid, which can increase inflammation and can intensify your period pain. 4. Fatty food. Fatty food increases the number of prostaglandins in your body and can make your uterus contract. The contraction of the uterus will increase the cramping and will make you uncomfortable. Even fatty meats should be avoided during the period due to saturated fats, which can worsen period pains. 5. Processed foods. Stay away from processed foods as much as you can when you are menstruating. Food additives may make your cramps more intense. Trans fats, also known as hydrogenated oils, that are added in processed foods can cause inflammation in the body and can worsen the symptoms. Stick to whole foods, lean proteins, fruits, and vegetables to avoid complicated period symptoms. 6. Salty foods. Foods containing a high amount of sodium should also be avoided during the monthly menstrual cycle. Taking food containing a high amount of sodium can make the bloating and water retention in your body even worse. Stay away from chips and French fries. 7. Chocolate. Chocolate craving is pretty normal during this time, but it is not good when it comes to managing your period. Chocolate can elevate your prostaglandins level and you may experience more period cramping. If you want to have chocolate, have only dark chocolate, and that too in a limited quantity. Like, share, subscribe, and comment.